To access your concessional contributions history, you need to go to your ATO portal, which is accessible via myGov. And this should be the landing page that you get to when you click on the ATO. So from here, we want to navigate to Super, Information, Carry Forward Concessional Contributions. We hit that. What you'll see here is you have the ability to scroll through the previous 5 financial years. So what we want to do is just click on the current. In this simulator, it doesn't bring up all the information we need, so I'll just click on the previous year. And then what you'll be able to do is you'll see here, you'll go show more details, and it'll bring up information on the current financial year, but it'll also bring up the history from the previous 4 financial years prior to that as well. So if you can take a snip or a screenshot of this page with all this information from here, send it through to us. It'd be really helpful for us.